Sage, also known as Salvia officinalis, is a perennial herb native to the Mediterranean region, widely valued for its medicinal and culinary properties. This plant has gray-green leaves and purple flowers, often used as a spice or in traditional medicine. Sage contains a variety of bioactive compounds, including flavonoids, rosmarinic acid, tannins, and essential oils, which have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial effects. Thanks to these components, sage has many health benefits. It helps soothe digestive issues such as bloating, cramps, and diarrhea, and supports digestive tract health. Sage also promotes oral health by helping to fight gum inflammation and bad breath. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help relieve sore throat and colds. Additionally, sage contains phytoestrogens, which can help alleviate menopause symptoms such as hot flashes and night sweats. However, while sage has many health benefits, it is important to consume it in moderation. Excessive use of sage can lead to side effects such as stomach irritation, dry mouth, or increased sweating. In sensitive individuals, it may cause allergic reactions. Long-term use of high doses of sage can be toxic due to the presence of thujone, a compound that can affect the nervous system and cause seizures. In the kitchen, sage is a popular spice that adds a distinctive aromatic flavor to dishes. It is especially used in Italian and Mediterranean cuisine for preparing meat dishes, soups, sauces, and stuffing. Sage is often added to butter or oil to enhance flavor and is great for roasted potatoes or vegetables. Dried sage leaves are also used to make tea, which has soothing effects and supports digestion. Sage is thus not only a tasty and aromatic herb but also a valuable tool in traditional medicine. Its proper and moderate use can bring many health benefits and enrich your culinary experiences.